Real quick, can you explain the put options for him real quick?
Yeah, so a put option is betting that a stock price is going to go down. And you have on the opposite side of that, there's a call option, which is betting that a stock is going to go up. So if you wanted to make money on these dips as the market is dropping, then you'd be looking to buy some put options.
Most definitely. Y'all definitely look out for that opportunity. Opportunity is always there. And there's one more thing I want to ask about the options trading, just something that I feel like a lot of beginners need to know, and it's about the Greeks. Can you, I know they're like, it can get kind of deep, but can you just give them the basic gist of like why they need to understand and learn that?
Yeah, so most traders, if you're just going to be a retail trader, you won't necessarily need all of the Greeks in your trading. The most important Greek, the one that you're going to have to worry about no matter what kind of trading you're doing, is going to be called Theta, and Theta is time decay. So with options, like we talked about earlier, it's not like shares where you can hold forever. Options have an expiration date, and you want to be looking to sell before that expiration date. So you can think of time decay as the closer the expiration date gets, the faster your contract is going to lose value if it's moving in the wrong direction. So say you buy a call option that expires on, the same week, it expires on that Friday, versus someone that buys an option that expires a month from now. Say you're buying call options and the stock price starts moving down. If the stock price is moves down all week, the person who bought the option that expires, Friday, they're going to lose all their money. It's going to go to zero. But if you still have a month left in expiration, you still have time for the stock to move back up. So that's something you want to consider when you're looking at the expiration dates to buy. And that's really, that's the most important Greek that you'll need, just to kind of keep things simple. All the other ones, you can incorporate them into your trading, but for most retail traders, you're not really going to be using those too much.
Yeah. And y'all take heed when he's saying about buying them longer contracts on the option. That's a quick way to lose money quick. You just keep buying those little contracts that expire Friday versus going ahead and getting something with some time to, actually have time to appreciate, hit that strike price.
Yeah. Giving yourself time can be important depending on your trading strategy. If you're buying a short-term option contract, usually you want to look to sell in the short. You want to look to get in and get out. It's not something you're going to be trying to necessarily hold, for too long, because the theta, the time decay, you're going to lose a lot of value real fast if it starts moving against you. So, that's more in and out. If you're swinging, you can do months, and you can even get option contracts a year, 2 years out, which would be called leaps. And those are some of the safer option plays to look at.
Hey, I didn't even know about a leap, so thank you for that, my brother.
Yeah, no problem.
Well,
I want to ask you, you're 20 right now. You got a lot of time ahead of you. So where do you see yourself in the future, or like, what are some things that you're trying to position yourself to do in these years to come?
So I invest in the stock market. I'm a trader, obviously, but I put the trading money, the fast money, I use that to invest in shares for the long term. So I built a dividend portfolio, and dividends are monthly and quarterly payouts that you get for holding the stock. So essentially, you just put money into a stock, and every month or every quarter, you'll get cash deposited to your account. So that's a form of passive income. I plan on getting into real estate, owning rental properties, having more passive income. But really, if there's money to be made, I'm going to tap in. So, stocks, real estate, vending machines, just getting the passive income up. I look at my 20s, especially my early 20s, as a time to really build an empire, so I can be able to retire, before I'm 25.
Hey, man, I love it, bro. Your future is bright. I can't wait to see you hit those goals and just keep on making this impact, bro. I just want to commend you again for that, because that's definitely dope, man.
Man, I appreciate that, for sure.
No problem.
Same, man. I wanted to ask you kind of like one more just thought process kind of question within what you just said. You were saying like you're taking the money that you're making from the trades and you're putting it in like dividends, or you're putting it in stuff that you're going to get paid more consistently. Can you kind of explain like the thought process of why you're doing that? Why, you're a good trader. You can't just live off the trades. being facetious, y'all.
So trading is active money. It's not like, you know, you're doing hard labor working 9 to 5, but it's still, you got to be active. You got to be actively trading in the markets. So investing in something like dividend stocks, that's passive income. So you essentially just get paid, you know, to do nothing. And you know, that's passive income is really my favorite kind of money. You know, that's that lazy money. You know, you get paid, you know, like I said, to do nothing. You know, trading. So trading is a form of active income. You know, I'm looking to, you know, continue to grow my active income through trading every day, but also, you know, just thinking about the future, thinking about the long term. I want to make sure I have investments, different things that are going to pay me out over the years. So, you know, like I said, I can look to retire, you know, within the next 5 years.
Sure.
Thank you.
And real quick, so what's some of your favorite dividend stocks? I don't want to get too nosy in your pockets or nothing, my brother. I just want to know.
So I like AT&T. The ticker is just T. They pay quarterly. Some monthly ones that I like, if anyone's looking to look into some monthlies, and you know, this is not financial advice.
Yo,
Of course,
do
your own research, do your own due diligence, like we talked about earlier. Don't just buy something because somebody said it. Look at it, know what you're buying. But you know, some that I like for monthlies, I like Realty Income. The ticker is just O. I like Main Street Capital. That's MAIN, Main. Those pay dividends every month. So, you know, just holding those stocks, you get paid monthly. Another one that's a good quarterly is Coca-Cola, which is just KO. So those are a few dividend companies that I like, you know, that I think people should look into, do their research on.
Coke just paid me, so
Yeah. Those dividends just hit. It's nice.